If you happen to hear noises in the background, babe, I do apologize for that. It's out of my control. There's a construction going on. Yan. Okay, thank you so much for your patience and understanding. Let us see anong meron para sa ating collective reading for today. Oh, unang mensahe pa lang, ang bigat na, no? Parang meron ka ditong bagay na ayaw mo nang pakawalan. Akin to. Ganun yung nakukuha kong energy. Akin to. Ito na yon. Yan, no? Parang sa energy mo, may energy ka na parang sigurado ako. Akin to, hindi ko na to bibitiwan, hindi ko na to papakawalan. Yan. So let us see what you're trying to say to me. Okay. Hmm. Oh. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Hmm. Let me just fix my phone. Okay. So, hi and hello there, collective. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang suporta at patuloy na pagtambay dito, no, sa aking channel. So, hi sa mga bagong viewers and subscribers. Thank you po sa inyong pagbisita rito. Sana magstay din po kayo together with may pabalik-balik na mga viewers and subscribers. So, yun yung mga babes, no? Kung hindi niyo pa po knows, no, meron po tayong isa pang channel. No? By the way, ang name ko pala is Yan. Para sa mga bagong viewers. Yeah, it's Y-A-N. So, yan. So, yun yung mga babes na meron pa po tayong other channel, ang Dalnim. No? So, yun yung name ng channel. No? Ang ibig sabihin nun ay Goddess of the Moon in Korean. So, yun nga, no? Ang link niyan ay nasa ating description box. No? Dyan sa channel na yan ay meron din tayong daily collective readings, no, na pwede ninyong panoorin at pakinggan, no. So, timeless din po ang ating mga energy readings, no. So, yan. So, bago tayo magsimula na pag-usapan ito more, okay, let me just tell you na wala tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong pagpalit-palitin yung roles kung gusto ninyo, no, and syempre, at the end of the day, meron kayong free will na malaya kayong gamitin anumang oras at kailan man. So, yan mga babes, no? Dito nakikita ko na mukhang masaya kayo, no? To the point na iisa lang yung posisyon ninyo, no? Parang naka-jump shot mode kayo, no? May pagtalon dito, no? So, I do pick up right here that with the Ace of Wands energy, the Sun card, no? Someone here, yung iba dumating na to. May timeless tayo sa mga energy readings. When we say timeless, pwedeng sa iba nangyari na to. Sa iba nangyayari ngayon. Sa iba naman mangyayari pa lang. Pero sa iba nangyayari na to or nangyari na. So nakita ko rito that someone here, okay, darating rito. Okay? And you will be in a relationship with this person. That is something na nakikita ko ritong mangyayari. Magiging ka-in relationship mo siya, papasok ka sa isang relasyon sa taong ito. Because Ace of Wands is the energy of a new passionate beginning, and we're talking about love, okay? Or romantic area. Okay? So, nakita ko dito that with the hangman right here, no? Nakita ko masaya-masaya ka dito, no? With the sun card energy, you are very happy, no? You are someone here, no, na parang napapatalon ka sa tuwa, and also an indication in getting that word excitement. You're excited about this new relationship with this person appearing here as someone with the Nine of Cups energy, strong hangman energy. You think that this person here is the man and the woman of your dreams. For someone to think like that, paanong meaning nun? Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin nun, iniisip mo siya na yung the one. Iniisip mo siya na yung one true love mo. Iniisip mo siya na yung padala ni universe para makasama mo sa yung lifetime, no? Here on earth. Okay? Pero with the presence of Two of Cups in reverse, this individual is an imposter. Yeah, you heard it right. Imposter right here. So, kung sino man siya, impostor. Eh? This is not the man and the woman of your dreams. This individual coming in into your life or nandyan na already in your life with the hangman energy, no, pinoportray niya dito yung pwedeng laman ng checklist mo, no, na pwedeng meron kang checklist or ideal na katangian na hinahanap sa isang future spouse. Pwedeng kahit ano yun, no? Mabait, gwapo, maganda, maabilidad, responsable, matulungin, faithful, lahat-lahat na, no? Meron ka nun, no? Meron ka nun, no? Pwedeng kahit hindi ka gumawa ng listahan, kahit hindi mo yan sinulat, meron ka yan sa inyong thoughts, and someone came na tinataglay niya ang halos lahat ng yan para sabihin mo na siya yung dream guy mo na hinihintay mo for a long time, na siya yung dream girl mo na hinihintay mo for a long time. But this individual right here is an imposter. Okay? Hindi siya yung man or woman meant for you. Okay? Na makasama mo right beside you, no? Sa iyong buhay in this lifetime. So I do see that this individual right here with the Page of Cups energy will show you all of the things na nagpapakilig sa isang babae, kung ikaw man ay isang babae, or nagpapakilig sa isang lalaki, kung ikaw man ay isang lalaki. Of course, LGBTQs, no, you're welcome rin here. Just take how this resonates, no. Kung ano yung nagpapakilig sa'yo, yun yung ginagawa niya. Kung ano yung mga bagay dito na gusto mo sa isang guy or sa isang woman, yun yung ginagawa niya sa loob ng relationship ninyo, no? Umpisa pa lang, no? Nakitaan mo na siya ng ganyan. May mga pinapakita na siya sa iyo rito ng mga senyales, no? Na mga simptomas na siya na mismo, mga babes, no? Ang nagpapakita sa iyo na ako ang dream boy mo. Ako ang dream girl mo. Three of Pentacles energy, Page of Cups right here, strong. Nine of Cups. This person right here will support you in whatever it is that you're doing. Tama yan, ituloy mo lang yan. Nandito lang ako, nakasuporta sa'yo. Yan. So, this person right here is doing every action that he or she can in order for you to be blinded from the real him or her. So, now, what's the point of all of these things? Okay? Bakit pa siya dumating or bakit pa siya dadating dito kung impostor pala siya? Okay? Kung sino man siya rito, let me tell muna ang kanyang true colors. Okay? Kasi hindi mo yan mai-spot right away. Kasi ang una mong maiisip, eto na yun. Eto na yung pinapangarap kong tao, yung pinakahinihintay kong dumating sa buhay ko, someone like him or her. Pero hindi siya yun. This person here is embodying, no, I'm seeing the King of Wands in my mind right now. In my vision, this individual is someone who pursues something and someone, ano man yun, bagay man or tao, gagawin niya ang kanyang very best to get that thing or to get that person. Okay? No matter what. Okay? No matter what. So, ibig sabihin, he or she can pull tricks or some tricks just to make you see that you are someone here. I mean, he or she is someone here that you've been waiting for all your life. Okay? Siyempre, gagawin niya yun para makuha niya ang loob mo. So, this person here is, yeah, it's true, ma-effort siya rito. Lalo na pag meron siyang bagay dito na gustong makuha, ini-effortin niya talaga. So, this person here could possibly be roam around para magtanong-tanong kung ano ba yung mga gusto mo. Okay? Mga bagay, mga favorites mo, or ano yung gusto mo sa isang man or sa isang woman. This person here will try everything, will know more about you. Okay? Pero once na makuha ka niya, just like a thing, ganun din siya. Okay? Example, gustong-gusto niyang makuha yung isang item or product online. Okay? Sabihin na natin na isa na lang yung item na yun. And that's limited edition. Okay? Hahanapin niya pa kung sino yung nakabili nun kung wala na yun at hindi yun available. Okay? At makikipag-trade siya ron. No? Parang makikipag-barter siya doon, no? Palitan kind of thing, no? Na parang willing siya na bayaran yon ng doble dun sa presyo nun, no? Para makuha niya rin yung bagay na yun. Ganun siya ka-pursue. Okay? Pero once na makuha niya yung bagay na yun, bagay man o tao, once na magsawa na siya doon, babay na. Yun yung nangyayari dito sa energy ng taong ito. Yes, you heard it right. This person here will blind you that he or she could probably be the one, but he or she is not. You're the one. Okay? This person here tends to get bored easily. This person here is someone who will walk away with you without even hesitating. That's his or her true colors. Okay? But the problem is, you might feel so excited to the point na hindi mo na maispatan yung mga red flags. Spirits are saying, open your intuition because what your eyes are seeing isn't the truth about that person. You know, maaring siya na yun, no? yung pati yung gupit ng buhok, no, kung may ganun ka, no, yung mga mata niya, yung kulay ng kanya rito, no, na mata, no, yung labi niya rito, yung iba may mga ganun eh, no, matangos yung ilong niya, no, or kung ano man yung kanyang facial features, paano yung galawan niya rito, no, kaya niyang ibahin yan. Because the devil is here. The devil is putting so much effort to deceive you. Kahit anong paraan. So, spirits and your angel guides, no, advice sa inyo. Listen to your intuition, sweetheart. High priestess energy. You will see this person's true colors if you open not your eyes, but your intuition. Connect with your mind, heart, and soul for you to be able to witness this person's true colors before you fall harder for him or her. Guard yourself because you will be in this type of war wherein you may want na i-declare na talo ka na because you could be seeing that this person here is someone you need, someone you want, because he or she is appearing to be your dream guy or your dream girl right here. But spirits are saying, move away from this person. Okay? Run as fast as you can. Dump this person. Okay? Because I'm seeing that katsa pouch. You know that katsa, yung parang pinaglalagyan ng mga flour, no? Yung sako ng mga flour, katsating, no? And what's inside is alikabok, dumi, buhangin, no? So it looks like this is not your dream guy or dream girl, but this is something here that is a dirty type of individual who just wants to play game with you. Here I can see your spirits and angel guides are telling me that you are someone here who's serious when it comes to love and relationship because you want to connect with that individual who will definitely love you, okay, unconditionally and will be true to you, okay, at all times. Okay? Because you hate liars. You hate anything, no, related with pandaraya, panluloko kind of thing. And this person here is definitely that person. Run away from this devil energy because this devil will confuse you. This devil right here will play games with you and will left you broken hearted right here. So, your angels and guides and ako din, ayoko rin yan mangyari sa'yo. Marami sa mga tao ang nalilinlang ng demonyo. Ang demonyo ay kayang magbalat kayo. Demonyo kasi yung tawag ko mga babes sa mga tao rito, no, na nakikipaglaro lang sa damdamin ng iba. And I don't want this devil to play games with your heart because your heart is so pure and you're just wanting here some kind of real love. So I don't want you to get hurt. So spot, be observant, no? Spot right here, okay? Smell this person's blood intentions, okay? Because I do see that this person here is just, you know, just want to play some kind of tricks and games and I don't like it for you. So yeah, okay? Alam ko mahirap yan sa umpisa, lalo na pagka ini-embodies niya ang lahat ng gusto mo, pero tandaan mo, ang devil ay kaya magbalat kayo. 'Di ba? And you do not want na magkamali when it comes to choosing someone, okay, na pumasok sa heart mo. This one isn't your dream guy and dream girl. Hmm? So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweetheart. Thank you so much for your time. And again, I'm Yan. Sarang hiyo, love and light. And you.